that today is actually the first community meeting that we have some community spotlight. And in this case, we have Cristian, he's a staff software engineer at Forter, and I am not only excited to have him here to talk about how they are using actually OpenMetadata at Forter. We are also super excited because he has been really, really helpful in implementing the new storage services in OpenMetadata. Don't know, for those of you that have already been to our last community meeting, we discussed that we are going to be introducing a new way of handling S3 buckets, the objects, partition tables, and so on. So Cristian has been working a lot with us in order to make that a reality. So thanks again, Cristian. Really, really appreciate the effort. And we'll have him here today also to help us with the demo, which is more than awesome.
Thank you. Thank you. And it's very good to be here. And thanks for the kind words.
Awesome. And then for those of you that don't know me, my name is Pere, and I'm part of the founding engineer at Collate. You might have seen me on the Slack support channel. If you need anything, feel free to reach out. And now just a few words from Cristian before we move on. So thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Pere. I want to first start before diving in about Forter and myself. What I want to point out is just a few things about the experience of working with the OpenMetadata folks. So, of course, we had a requirement of getting S3 metadata functionality into the product. We've approached OpenMetadata people, and we had a very good experience in terms of working with them, speccing out what we need, what the community needs, trying to get to a compromise in terms of what can be delivered, timelines. It was a very nice experience, and I think it's very encouraging to see so many people contributing, and I'm sure everyone that has contributed and has interacted with these guys can confirm it's a very solid product, and I hope it keeps going on and it keeps growing. It helped us a lot, and I just wanted to stress this out. Right. So I'm Cristian. I'm coming from Forter. Forter is a fraud prevention company. They work with a lot of US large merchants which have fraud prevention needs. So you can imagine the company has many data stores across a variety of types of data stores, be it data warehouses like Snowflake, RDS, relational databases, a lot of data on S3. So, of course, we looked at OpenMetadata as a potential product to get to catalog all this data. We did look at other alternatives, but in the end, we liked the flexibility of the product, the fact that you can, of course, chip in and help, being an open source offering, and it just felt more mature than other things that we've seen on the market. So we are using it live at the moment with Kubernetes deployment, and we're slowly building our catalog. Of course, we're using some other features as well. PII tagging. We can't wait for the auto classification feature that will come in the next release, and of course, everything that has to do with connecting the dots and connecting different metadata from different places. We want to use the catalog as a centralized location for everything. So we're slowly getting into that. Thank you, everyone. Bye.